Ever wondered why chickpeas frequently find their way into health-conscious meals? This humble legume packs a nutritional punch that is hard to ignore. Firstly, chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein. A single cup provides about 15 grams of protein, vital for muscle growth and repair. Secondly, chickpeas are rich in dietary fiber. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps to control blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. Thirdly, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Chickpeas contain high amounts of folate, iron, and phosphorus. Folate is integral for the formation of DNA and other genetic material, while iron is critical for oxygen transportation in the blood. Phosphorus, on the other hand, contributes to bone health. Fourthly, chickpeas are a good source of heart-healthy fats. Unlike saturated and trans fats, the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in chickpeas can help lower levels of harmful cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lastly, the high fiber and protein content of chickpeas contribute to feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight control by reducing overall calorie intake. To sum up, chickpeas are a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a substantial amount of plant-based protein and dietary fiber, as well as a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Not to mention, they are a good source of heart-healthy fats and can help in weight control. So, the next time you come across chickpeas, remember the numerous benefits they offer and don't hesitate to add them to your meal.